Learn English. Direct Speech Uncovered. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English grammar: direct speech. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what direct speech is, how it is used in writing and conversation, and some practical tips to help you use it more effectively. Direct speech is when we use the original words of the speaker, often in quotation marks. For example, if your friend John says, "I love pizza," and you want to report it, you might say, "John said, I love pizza." That's direct speech. You're directly quoting what John said. In writing, direct speech can add authenticity and vividness to your text. It's often used in narrative writing, such as stories and biographies, to give a sense of the speaker's personality and emotions. Remember, we use quotation marks to indicate direct speech. For example, she said, "I'm tired." Also, remember to use commas correctly when introducing direct speech. And don't forget about punctuation. If the direct speech is a question, use a question mark. If it's an exclamation, use an exclamation mark. These punctuation marks go inside the quotation marks. In conversation, direct speech helps to make your stories and experiences more engaging. It adds life to your speech and makes the listener feel as though they were there when the original words were spoken. While we don't use quotation marks in spoken English, we use other signals to indicate direct speech. We can introduce the direct speech with phrases like, "He said," "She told me," or "They were like." For example, instead of saying, "My friend likes ice cream," try saying, "My friend was like, I could eat ice cream all day." Remember to use appropriate intonation and expressions when reporting direct speech. This can help convey the speaker's original emotion and make your writing or conversation more dynamic. Always consider the context of your conversation or writing. Too much direct speech can make your text or conversation sound fragmented, so balance is key. And that's it for today's lesson on direct speech. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use direct speech effectively in your writing and conversation. Keep practicing, and remember, communication is the heart of language learning. Until next time, happy learning!